we're creating a Python Windows service. Let's get started. First, download the code from GitHub in the description below. So there's 3 files here. First, there's the service wrapper. There's the code I want to run, and also the README, which contain a list of commands we're going to run. Also, I placed this file into the C drive of the test directory. First, open up the service wrapper and change the Python service to any name that you want. Also, make sure to change the account to the actual account that you'll be using. If you don't know what this is, then you can type in "who am I" in your terminal. This will give you the name of what to use. Also, you can add the actual code that you want to run here or import it, the script, like I did. And this script is to create a log file so we can test if the service is running. Okay, so we need to open up a terminal with administrator privileges and type in pip install pywin32. To install your service, type in the following. And then to start your service, you can also search for services to check if it's running. And here we have our service running. And also the log file that's being created every 10 seconds. Now, if we want to stop our service, we type in the following. And if you're having trouble stopping the service for whatever reason, you can type in this command. Make sure to change the name of Python service to the actual name that you're using for your service, and removing the service by the following command. There you have it, and subscribe and like if this helped you out. Thank you.